Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are checking for ambiguity of a grammar. Consider this grammar S derives ICTS or ICTSES or A and C derives B. And the string given in the problem is IBTIBTAE. So using the string we have to check for the ambiguity of the grammar. Now, how we can derive the string using this grammar productions we have to observe first. So here I am trying to derive this string W from this grammar using leftmost derivation. So here see how I am going to derive the string. So S derives, we have production, this is rule 1, rule 2 and rule 3. And C derives B, it is rule 4. So now I am substituting for the first time from the starting symbol. I am taking this rule 1 production. S derives ICTS, where C and S are non-terminals in this grammar. Rest all are terminals. That is I, B, T, E, A are all terminal symbols. And here for this, the next symbol here after I have here B. So here I have I and C is substituted by B here. So here this becomes IBTS. Now for this, yes, here IBT we got, up to here we got IBT. The next symbol is IBTAEA. So for the next IBTAEA, I am going to substitute this yes with ICTSCS because I want AEA. So I can substitute with this rule 2. So IBT for S I am substituting with this rule. ICTSES. Now this is IBTI and C. C derives, I am substituting with B. C derives B, rule 4. T, up to BT we got SES. And for S what I can substitute now? S derives A. I want here A. So A, S derives A, rule 3. And again S derives A, rule 3 to get this. So this implies IBTIBT. Now I want A, so I am substituting S derives A, E, S. And next substitution, IBTIBT, A, E, for S I am substituting A. See now we got back the string W by applying the leftmost derivation. We got the string. Now construct the parse tree for this grammar. So here try to construct the parse tree. S derives, first what we have taken, ICTS. ICTS. Then C derives B. S derives, the next rule we substituted, that is ICTS, E, and this is again yes. Then IBI, for C we substituted B, for S we substituted A, and here we substituted A. So now we constructed the parse tree for this leftmost derivation. So I substituted S derives ICTS and I got one parse tree. Let's see how I am going to get the same parse tree. Just by taking the rule number 2 also we can derive the same string. I am taking the rule number 2. S derives ICTSES. Okay. Now for this C I am substituting B because the second symbol here is B. So we got B now, IBT. Next is ISES. For this yes, now I am substituting rule 1. I should try to derive the string. Anyhow, applying these productions, I should try to derive the string. So here for this yes, I am substituting yes, IBTSES. So here ICTS, this rule number 1 I am substituting because I want again I here. So here I is present here. ICTS, for S I substituted. Copy this ES as it is. Next. IBTI we finished. Next is what? B. For C we are substituting B now. T up to here is over. Then we have SES. This derives IBTI, BT. S derives what? A. Rule number 3. ES. This derives IBTI, BT, A. S derives A. See, we got back the string W. Now, the same string we got by applying leftmost derivation, but we changed the rules. Instead of taking rule number 1, we took rule number 2 and we derived the sentence. Anyhow you can do. But for the same string W, if there exists more than one parse tree, then we say that the grammar is ambiguous. Now construct the parse tree for this. S derives I, C, T, S, E, S, and C derives B. For this S, we took rule number 1, I, C, T, S. We have ES there, and for C we substituted S, and for S we substituted A, and for this S non-terminal we substituted A. So this one, if you consider the two different parse trees, in the previous we derived using this rule number 1 and now we derived using rule number 2. The structure of both the parse trees are different. For a given string W, if there exists more than one parse tree, either by applying leftmost derivation or rightmost derivation, or by applying LMD 2 times or RMD 2 times, if you get two different parse trees, then we say that the language is ambiguous, that the grammar is ambiguous. Hope you understood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.